Hello to everybody. We are witnessing the Turkish invasion to Afrin area. Afrin area was enclave saved by the Afrin people since 2011. And in Afrin area now we have more than 1,200,000 people. Those people, most of them, they were displaced people from the other areas, from Shahba area, from Aleppo, because Afrin was a kind of safe haven for the displaced people. They have many camps over there. And now, since 2012, Afrin could protect themselves by defending themselves, by organizing the people and even defending forces. They were protecting themselves from all these groups, mercenaries by the Turkey, and it was surrounded and sieged by the Turkish government and their mercenaries since 5 years. And the kind of revenge by the Turkish government of defeating the Daesh in Kobane and in Raqqa, in Deir ez-Zor, they find a way to make a revenge instead of Daesh, to make these attacks in Afrin area. And now we are facing with their mercenaries all around Afrin. We have a very, very brutal attacks on Afrin. As you have heard, they started since yesterday by bombing from the aircrafts all around Afrin. As the people of Afrin and the Kurdish people over there, and even inhabitants, but the Kurds, the Arabs, Turkmens living in Afrin, we have no way only to defend ourselves and to resist against these brutal attacks. As you know, I mean, the Turkish is moving according to the mentality, saying the best Kurds is the dead Kurds. All excused by Turkey that they have PKK and terrorists. There was no one attack from Turkey, from Afrin to Turkish border, and no one bullet was thrown from Afrin to Turkish border till now. But according to this mentality and revenge of defeating of Daesh, they started these brutal attacks. Of course, we will resist to the end, and we are sure the victory will be for our peoples. And what we just would like to remind is a word by the Martin Luther King, who says, we wouldn't remember what the enemy said, but we will remember the silence of our friends during this time. We are asking for the solidarity with the Afrin people, with the Kurdish people. We are defending the humanitarian values, so we call upon all the pro-freedom people, pro-humanitarian values, pro the equality of the people, brotherness of the people, to be in solidarity with Afrin. Thank you very much for everybody standing beside Afrin and Afrin people. Thank you.